Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are going on a long trip because I just went to La Cerise Scooters, which is a dealership in the Netherlands, and it is 30 kilometers away from my house. Yeah, this could take a while. The city it's called Utrecht. You probably pronounce it as Utrecht. It's very crowded, as you might notice. It's literally a big city. This is gonna take a while, and hopefully I'll make it. I have put the bike in eco mode right now because I am in unlocked, and last time I tested this I got 32 real kilometers on it. This thing is good in city traffic though. I'm gonna drive a little bit in sports mode right now. Holy shit, dude, it feels way more powerful, dude. God motherfucking damn. Oh shit, I had my blinker on for like that long. I'm gonna be driving very battery eco-friendly, but I love driving, and it is finally dry. It was raining. Hey, a Tesla. Dude, this thing pools now, bro. Whoa, shit. That's illegal. But alright, I'll do it. This city is very nice, actually. Am I at the right place right now? Oh, shit. My bad. La Cerise Scooters. They're really nice people. They're very busy all the time because it's a warm winter. It's 6 degrees right now, so people still go on their bikes like me. I can stand here, right? That's fine. Let's see how fast this thing pulls actually. I mean, it's pretty fast, but I'll be driving in eco in the city because the city is a mess. You gotta stop and go all the time. See? This is exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, at La Cerise, we updated the ECU to the newest firmware. I looked and I couldn't see any changelog. I asked him, he didn't know anything of a changelog. They just get files and they put it on the ECU. As simple as that. So I don't know if they made it more powerful. I don't know if they made it more efficient. I told them some stuff. My license plate fell off while I was driving with friends. So we made it better with their existing license plate holder and my homemade backplate. I told them something about my battery because I made a picture of it, and the reason why I did is because apparently it's been opened before, and no, I did not do it myself. So, you know, I thought, yeah, let's just say it now before it breaks someday and they blame me for opening it. Little tunnel. If I had engine sound, I would drive right now. Wait, what the fuck? Turn around? Oh, god damn it. Alright, another time. But then we go right. I can do that though. He also put some grease on spots where there was starting to be a little bit of rust. Oh shit, dude, this thing feels faster. I don't know why. We're going about 61 kilometers an hour. It says 66 on the speedometer, but that's not true. I really feel the regen on it now. I didn't ever feel it that strong before. Holy shit. Maybe they did change like the way regen works. Like they put more regen on it. Oh my god. But yeah, everything else was basically fine. My battery, as I said, the rust like lid didn't close as smooth as it should. Yeah, he couldn't really do anything about that, and I get it. Also, I hope you can even hear me right now. Can you hear me better now? I'm not sure, but my visor is getting fogged up, so now I can finally drive this thing again because I didn't drive it for like a week because I hit to 1k kilometers. He said he didn't really mind if I came there with like 1200, but yeah, you know, I love people's reactions to this bike. I was talking about it with the guy from La Cerise, and he seems very enthusiastic about this one too, even though they've been selling it for like more than a year at least. It's still a cool bike, you know? They'll probably have the TSX, which is the newest version of this bike, pretty soon, like in February they said, but they don't really know when they'll be expecting it. I'll ask them if I can make like a review of it. So yeah, we'll have to see about that. Just to be clear, I have never driven this route before, so if I make dumb mistakes, yeah, that's why. I do have another GoPro on me, but it's in the bike because fuck, I could have a fine right now because I drove too fast. I hope not, because that costs a lot of money in my country. I am gonna be building a bigger battery so I could go to places like this and just drive more and get more footage. I really have to cross the road twice here. Also, I did a really cheap mod that cost like maximum $5, which is painting the side of your tires letters, which makes it look more sporty. And the guy from the store noticed it as well, which is pretty funny. This is a 60 zone, so I could just send it here. I have to turn around. Okay, I'll turn around. Oh. Dude, this thing pulls harder than ever before. My Google Maps is tricking me, man. For real. Alright, back to our journey. As you can see from the footage, it takes a little of your time because it's not as simple as it looks. But it looks great so far. My bike was inside at the time because it was New Year's Eve and we didn't want firework to burn down my seat. And the previous time I did this, it was on my pocket bike. As some of you might remember, if you do, shout out to you. I'm gonna pass it quick. You didn't even see me coming. A nice little church. Oh, this is the really old McDonald's. Dude, they have these automatic sensors or something. What? But yeah, I did that with correction fluid, I think they call it. You know, you use that when you fuck something up in your book and then you overlap it with the white stuff. Oh, that sounds so weird. But that was really messy and it dried too quick. So this time I actually used a oil-based tire marker. But after I washed... Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm not gonna run a red light here, dude. After I mod a bigger battery pack, I am probably gonna mod a different controller on it, but that's too early for me right now, man. I only have like 1,000 kilometers on it right now, so fuck that. Is this even a... This is not the right path at all. Oh, I was drifting right there, dude. Oh shit. Here in the Netherlands you have these signs here. I'm gonna show you. This one I can drive because it has a moped on the top. And there's also one that is just a bike and I cannot drive there. So that's the difference of when I have to get on the road or I can drive on the biker's path, basically. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Can you like drive on the right side of the road, dude? The one kid said, damn, that's an electric motorcycle. I get that a lot, actually. Come on, yeah, green light, boys. My legs are literally shaking. Why is it fucking 4 degrees outside? Look, the light turns on the screen. And then when it's light enough, it will turn off. Why is there a bug here? Wow. But I do like the very long straight roads. Oh god, we're going uphill, please, Soco, accelerate! Everybody just looks around when you pass by because the only sound they can hear is like shh. I think the sensor is broken. Okay Google, where did you send me this time? I'm going the wrong fucking way. Am I? I am. God damn it. I literally came from that way. Why would I go here? No, this road's nice. Too bad it's wet though. So damn. No, what the fuck? Fuck is this? It cuts off at 31%. My power just cut off. I have 7 kilometers to go. Now I'm getting anxious. Oh, I'm here. Okay, that's fine. I can't go faster than 40. What? How am I ever gonna drive safe on these roads, bro? Yeah, sorry. I had to take that maneuver, bro. I cannot drive fast enough for the traffic, even though it stops here. Oh, fuck. A police car. Oh, no. I'm not allowed to drive here. So I'm just gonna wait until the police car it goes away or something. I gotta fit myself in here. Can I? Can I? Okay. Thank you. Okay, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, are you shitting me? Should have just stayed on the biker's path, dude. I am gonna do that again. Thanks to the other guy, though, that let me in front. Alright, we're back on track, but I'm so scared, dude. At 30%, it just started cutting off. What the fuck? It didn't do that before at 30. it did cut off like totally at like 5%, but that is it. But at least I am close to home, so I could always walk, which I don't want to, of course. Oh, Jesus. Please don't cut off on me. After that, we're gonna go uphill again. So I'm just gonna try to get at least 1% back with just regen. So I'm using regen. As you can see, the little thing. I'm charging the bike as I'm going down, but I also don't want to lose too much speed for the light to go on green. Please, 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 please. No. Look at this mini car. Yeah. You can go as fast legally as I can. Or well, she, because there's a grandma in this. Probably top speed. Yo! Can I like pass you or not? Thank you. Let me pass you. Holy shit! I literally was touching the bushes with my hand. That's how close she got to like crushing me, bro. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Now it's green. More red lights. God damn it. What is this? Amsterdam? Please climb. Please climb up. But yeah, we're almost on top. After that, it's just downhill from there. So we're gonna make some speed. I'm gonna try to not catch too much air, as in restriction, airflow, you know what I'm saying? And I'm 4 kilometers away from my house. I have 23%. Pretty good, I guess. Oh, the light's green. No, it's turning orange. Okay, okay. I'm gonna brake very early. Fuck's sake. Dude, how many oil is there on the fucking road? Go, 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 go. I'm still the one that pulls up fastest. This is why I need to build myself a battery pack, which is gonna last at least 60 kilometers if you ask me. Now, I did drive 30 kilometers and I still have 22% left. I'm going 40 kilometers an hour, which is pretty damn slow, even though I'm going 45 almost. It cut the power to like 1/3 or just a little bit above that, but yeah. I mean, I guess it's not that bad. I'm going 45 now, which is my legal speed. Blah, blah. I got 18% and 950 meters to my house. So I'm gonna wrap this up now and say thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video if you enjoyed. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Peace. Oh shit, that's a lot of seagulls. Oh shit.